Check these out. This flyer, this one, and this one too. All of these were created using free AI tools in under 5 minutes. No design experience, no expensive software, just AI. Now, I know most people don't realize how easy this has become, which is exactly why I'm making this tutorial. I'm going to show you step by step how to create professional, stunning flyers like these completely free. And the best part? It takes just minutes once you know the process. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. I actually have a document filled with ready-made flyer prompts that you can use right away. If you want access to that document, let me know in the comments below and I'll share it with you. But here's the exciting part. If you stick around until the very end of this tutorial, I'm going to reveal a powerful method for generating prompts for absolutely any flyer design you can imagine. This means you won't be limited to just the prompts I'm giving you. You'll be able to create prompts for any type of flyer, any style, any purpose, all on your own. So let me show you how this works in action. I'm going to grab one of the prompts from my document. I'll just copy it right here. And then I'm heading over to ChatGPT. Once I'm there, I'll simply paste the prompt directly into the chat interface. Now watch this. I'm going to click the Generate button, and after just a few seconds, ChatGPT is going to work its magic and create a complete flyer design for us. All right, let's take a look at what it came up with. Let me preview this image for you. This is absolutely amazing, isn't it? I mean, when you see results like this, you really start to understand why traditional graphic designers are feeling the pressure. The speed, the quality, the accessibility. It's all right here at your fingertips, and you don't need years of design training to achieve it. Download it to your device. But here's where it gets even more interesting. I want to show you a comparison because different AI tools can produce different results, and you deserve to know which ones give you the best output. So what I'm going to do now is take that exact same prompt we just used with ChatGPT, and I'm going to run it through Google's Nano Pro. This is going to give us a really clear side-by-side comparison of what different AI models can produce. Let me walk you through this process. First, I'm heading over to the Magic Studio website. Now, if you don't already have an account, don't worry. It's completely free to sign up, and I'll make sure to drop the link in the video description below so you can follow along. Once you're on the website and logged in, you're going to see a button that says Create. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main dashboard where you'll see several different creative tools available. Now, scroll down through the options until you find the one labeled AI Image Generator. Click on that to open it up. I'm going to paste in that exact same prompt we used with ChatGPT, word for word, no changes whatsoever. This ensures our comparison is completely fair. Next, we need to configure a few settings. For the image size, you'll see several ratio options. I'm going to select 1:1, which gives us a perfect square format. This is ideal for most social media platforms and general purpose flyers. Now, this next part is really important. In the Image Model drop-down menu, you need to make absolutely sure that you select Nano Pro. This is Google's latest and most advanced image generation model, and it's what we're testing against ChatGPT's image generator. For the number of images, I'm just going to leave that setting as is. All right, everything is configured. Now I'm going to click the Generate button, and we just wait a few moments while the AI processes our prompt and creates the images. And there we go! In just a few seconds, it's ready. That was remarkably fast. Now let's preview what Nano Pro has created for us. Oh wow. This is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Look at the quality, the attention to detail, the professional polish. This is the kind of design that would typically cost you money if you hired a freelancer, or hours of work if you tried to create it yourself in traditional design software. Download it to your device. But now comes the moment of truth. I want you to really see the difference between these two AI tools, because understanding which platform gives you the best results is going to save you time and help you create better designs. So what I'm going to do is place the flyer that ChatGPT generated and the flyer that Nano Pro created side by side on the screen. This way, you can examine them both simultaneously and see exactly how they compare in terms of composition, color accuracy, text clarity, overall design quality, and professional appeal. All right, Now that you've seen what these AI tools can do with one prompt, let's not stop there. I want to give you another example so you can really get a feel for the consistency and quality these platforms deliver across different types of flyer designs. So let me go back to my prompt document and grab a completely different prompt this time. I'm going to select something with a different vibe, a different purpose, just to show you the versatility here. All right, I've got it copied. Now I'm heading back over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste this new prompt right into the interface, exactly like we did before. Let me hit that generate button and let the AI work its magic once again. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT has created for us this time. Let me pull up the result and take a good look at it. You know what? This is really not bad at all. In fact, I'd say it's quite impressive when you consider how quickly this was generated and the fact that we didn't have to touch any design software, adjust any layers, or fiddle with fonts and colors manually. So, let's take this exact same prompt and run it through Google Nano Pro in Magic Studio AI to see how it handles this particular design challenge. I'm going to copy the prompt again, head back over to Magic Studio, paste it into the AI image generator, make sure all my settings are configured the same way, 1:1 aspect ratio, Nano Pro selected as the model, and then hit generate. All right, let's give it a moment to process. And there we go, it's done. Let me preview what Nano Pro has created with this second prompt. Well, I have to say, this is not bad either. Not bad at all, actually. I think Google's Nano is the king here. Now, here's the game changer I promised you. How to get prompts for absolutely any flyer design you can imagine. First, head over to Pinterest and search for the type of flyer you want. Let's say you need a wedding flyer. Just type wedding flyer into the search bar and you'll see thousands of stunning designs. Browse through them until you find one that perfectly matches the style you're going for. Then download that image to your device. Next, take that downloaded image over to ChatGPT and upload it. Here's exactly what you're going to ask. You are an expert prompt engineer. Please analyze this image and give me a comprehensive prompt to generate a flyer design exactly like this one. ChatGPT will analyze every detail, the colors, layout, typography, imagery, everything. And within seconds, it'll give you a detailed prompt that captures all those elements. Now here's the important part. Before you generate the flyer, customize that prompt with your specific details. Edit the event name, date, location, colors, whatever you need to make it perfect for your actual project. Once you've personalized it, paste that edited prompt into either ChatGPT or Magic Studio with Nano Pro, hit generate, and boom! You've got a stunning, professional flyer styled exactly like your Pinterest inspiration, but completely customized for you. That's it. This method works for any type of flyer. Weddings, business, events, concerts, anything. The possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comments what you think and what type of flyers you'll create first.